Last week, Tesla released a software update introducing Smart Summon, which allows the car to navigate a parking lot without anyone being inside the car. Even though this feature has a lot of limitations, I still think this is a big step because this is the first time people will actually see a mass production car driving itself without anyone being inside the car. As the autonomous technology become more and more common, an elegant process for switching between driving and non-driving tasks become crucial, and this is where I think my project will contribute. I am Nabil and welcome to my presentation. Transitioning between autonomous and manual driving is a process involving a series of distinct steps, but the problem we are facing is that we still don't know much details about these steps. For example, how much time the driver spends on each step or where the driver is looking during this transition period. The goal of this project is to explore how the visual focus of the driver changes during this transition period. So where he's looking or how much time he's spending looking at a specific area. And to do this, we'll set up an experiment and collect some eye tracking data from the driver. This is the experiment setup I'll be using, where the driving simulator will alternate between manual and autonomous mode, and will collect data using the eye tracker, and the driver will also be performing a secondary task that does not require them to take their eyes off the road. For the non-driving task, we are using a basic guessing game where driver will try to guess an item by asking some predefined questions. So to make it more like a real-life conversation, the role of the driver will change. So if the driver is asking the question the first time, the second time driver will be answering the questions. At first I tried to implement the secondary task using Alexa. So you can see how this will work. Driver is asking a question, and based on the answer from Alexa, driver will guess the item. But Alexa was having some problems understanding some of the questions or some of the specific words. So I implemented the same task using Google's speech-to-text API that worked a lot better than the Alexa system. Here is a short demo of my project. My next step will be implementing the same secondary task using Cortana, because for my future work I want to include HoloLens into the experiment setup. So using Cortana for the secondary task makes a lot of sense. After implementing the secondary task, I'll be collecting some data using eye tracker and analyze the data to see how the visual focus changes at different stages of the transition process. That's all I had for this presentation. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any question or any suggestions. Thank you.